High-ranking chief in the Erie County Sheriff's Office admitted to his role in a string of hit-and-run crashes on Buffalo's west side last year. Good evening. Chief of Narcotics DJ Granville in court today, where he pleaded guilty to reckless driving and leaving the scene of an accident with property damage. He will serve no jail time. Now, a witness to the crime voicing her frustration after court, and we hear from the prosecutor on the details of this investigation. Two guilty pleas from one of Erie County's top law enforcement officials. Charges of reckless driving and leaving the scene of a property damage accident. The plea comes 16 months after Erie County Chief of Narcotics DJ Granville crashed his county-owned vehicle into 7 cars on Buffalo's west side.
I want us to do exactly what we would do for anyone else. And we approached that case that way. So yes, from my perspective, from my office's perspective, we handled this like we would have anybody else. Niagara County District Attorney Brian Seaman served as special prosecutor. He says his office's investigation did have its challenges, including Granville not having a chemical test like a breathalyzer or a blood test. Body camera video from the responding Buffalo police officers were past their 6-month retention date, and responding officers did not cooperate with Seaman's office. When you look at a case like this where you don't have any chemical test, when you don't have field sobriety tests, but you have observations that a person is impaired, if I can't say, well, it was this drug and that drug is on the public health law list, you can't charge it. And you're left then with a charge like reckless driving. This is new video shared with 7 News Friday from an eyewitness the night of the crash back in April 2024. You can see what appears to be Granville sitting in the driver's seat of a smashed pickup truck. The passenger airbag is deployed. The right front tire is falling off.
He came out the car trying to fight with everyone, being all nasty and disrespectful, telling everyone to calm down, that he'll pay for everything. And we called the police.
The crash was not made public until a lawsuit was filed a year later. Friday in court, a judge sentenced Granville to 50 hours of community service and ordered him to pay about $700 in fines. Witness Hind Muhammad says that the punishment does not fit the crime.
I've seen people get arrested for way less than what he's done. At the end of the day, all those damages are coming from our tax dollars, not from him or anything, from his insurance. And I don't think that's fair at all.
Muhammad lives on Prospect Avenue, where the crash happened.
What in your mind should be considered justice?
Him going to jail, honestly, losing his job, losing his pension, all that. Like, that's not fair for any one of us.
Her uncle's car was one of those vehicles hit.
He took an oath to uphold and follow the law like everyone else. He did not do that. The police department didn't do that. Everyone else didn't do that. His lawyer defending him didn't do that.
Granville had been suspended with pay for the past 4 months. But on Friday, Erie County Sheriff John Garcia said that Granville is now suspended without pay following his guilty plea.